Hey, Mr. G here, and I'm going to show you how to play the C major open scale. C major open scale. Now, don't forget to subscribe and to like. Now, for the C major open scale, we're going to start off on the root note. And the root note is on the 3rd fret, 5th string. 3rd fret, 5th string with the ring finger, and that's your C. And then the next note is going to be on the 4th string, and you're going to play it open. That's your D. And then the next note is going to be again on the 4th string, 2nd fret, with the middle finger, and that's the E. And then the next note is going to be on the 3rd fret, 4th string with the ring finger, and that's an F. And then the next note is going to be on the 3rd string, and it's going to be open, and that's the G. And then the next note will be on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, with the middle finger, and that's the A. And then the next note will be an open note on the 2nd string, and that's just a B. The next note will be on the 2nd string, 1st fret with the index finger, and that's a C. The next note will be on the 2nd string, 3rd fret with the ring finger, and that's a D. The next note is going to be an open note on the 1st string, and that's an E. The next note will be on the 1st string again with the index finger on the 1st fret, and that's an F. The next note will be on the 1st string, 3rd fret, with the ring finger, and that's a G. The next note will be on the 1st string, 5th fret, and we're going to basically move up here. 1st string, 5th fret, with an index finger, and that's an A. Then the next note will be on the 1st string, 7th fret, with the ring finger, and that's a B. And the next note will be on the 1st string, 8th fret, with a pinky finger, and that's your C. So when you play them all together, it looks and sounds like this. Again. What I did is I went up and I went down with it, so that's a good way to practice your C major open scale. I hope you enjoyed the video. Check out my other videos. Keep on jamming.